In this session, we're going to learn a very helpful method within pandas called fillna. Um, so we have like empty values, like those n values in data frame series oftentimes. And fillna is essentially give you the option for you to fill out those values. Oftentimes in finance and accounting, for those empty values, we just want to fill the value 0 in it, or just fill nothing in it. Basically, it's just the empty string. Um, with this, let's go to a VS Code and show you. I will show you how fillna works. So remember last time when we learned how to use is now and now method, we printed out the asset accounts and the liability and equity accounts. Here, the asset balance, the asset accounts looks like this. So the credit side, it's all has those now values on the credit column. So in this case, if I want to simply fill those credit column as 0, I can easily do that. I can essentially create updated asset accounts, update it, and all I need to do is to put this data frame in and then use the fillna method and put a 0 in it. So with this, if I print out updated asset accounts and print the updated asset accounts data frames, so let me run this program and show you what this looks like. You see the updated asset accounts now with the credit column showing all 0 because we decided to fill the now value as 0. So and of course do you can fill it in string types as well. When I say string types, I can say 0. I can just basically put a text in it. And same thing is gonna work like this. So it's really flexible. The fillna method is really flexible, and it allows you to fill those empty values to any values you want. So I hope you like this, and we'll see you in the next class.